So it is end of July. Put this bike on the road here last October, put about 700 kilometers on it, and then just left it after that. And brought it out here a couple of weeks ago and did some prep and put another 600 kilometers on it here this past weekend. And it worked not bad. 43.3 miles to the gallon. So that's 15.33 kilometers per liter. So anyways, it's got a pop in, I think it's cylinder number 2. Don't know whether it's a cracked head to carburetor intake adapter or maybe it's just a carb sync that needs to be done again. So stuck a set of signal lights off my old RD350 on it just to get it by, and so it's run good. It's stable at any speed I want to go, and you wick her up to 180 and it's good and stable. It's an old bike, don't want to push it like that, but yeah, 120, 130 is a good speed on it. Nice and comfy. Big bike, holy crap. But anyways, so like I say, it runs smooth, it's solid, it's everything's straight, so it's predictable. Almost like driving my old K. So I'm gonna pull the tank off and go in and take a peek at the carbs and intake boots. So it's got 1,300 kilometers on it now, and we'll see if we can stick a couple more thousand on it here this summer. Maybe shoot some video on it. Ta-ta for now.